Scandinavian people, we are used to being outdoors and be on our own. And I think it's just natural for us, and for me it's an important thing and is part of me. If I feel pressure or anxiety, once I get out in the wild, I feel good. I love also to be off-road. For me it's a bit more free feeling. You need to be quite reactive with the terrain. I think it comes from my background, where I come from, that I'm used to pretty extreme conditions. The testing and development process is a key to a good car. It's the same thing whether it's in Formula 1 testing or off-road vehicle. In my experience, you can either make a good car or a bad car, depending how well the testing goes. You need to put the miles in and make it bulletproof.